A very good morning to my 9th standard students. We are doing the first lesson in economics, that is known as introductions of economics. Now, first and foremost, what is economics? Economic is that where our parents are earning their livelihood and spending on their children. Yes. And this word has come from a Greek word that is oikonomia, which means family management. फैमिली मैनेजमेंट मीन्स यहाँ पे हमारे माँ बाप जो काम करते हैं हमारी सब चीज़ों को सेटिस्फाइड करते हैं, जैसे हमारा खाना होता है, पीना होता है, रहना होता है, सहना होता है, स्टडीज़ में एक एक पैसा हमारे ऊपर खर्च करते हैं, खुद के ऊपर खर्च करते हैं. यस, दैट फैमिली मैनेजमेंट इज़ नोन एज ओइकोनोमिया, दैट इज़ अ ग्रीक वर्ड. Then we try to understand from the economics how to use time, matlab समय, money you all know, paisa, labor means mazdoor, and land effectively. Land effectively means whether this we are making the land for the settlement or we are making the land use of the cultivation of the crops. Yes, or the river sides or any other purposes for starting the industries, any sorts of industries, we take the help of land. Yes, so how to satisfy the infinite means unlimited needs of the people using various resources is the study matter of economics. Means यहाँ पे हम लोग तरह तरह के resources use करते हैं. जैसे मटेरियल, बिल्डिंग बनाने के लिए हम मटेरियल्स यूज़ करते हैं, रोड बनाने के मटेरियल्स यूज़ करते हैं, घर बनाने के लिए हम स्टोन, सैंड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, रेत का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. यस, सो दीज आर द सोर्सेज विच इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम द नेचर. रिसोर्सेज मीन्स the sources which has come from the nature is known as the resources. Yes, we try to build the house, we try to build the roads, we try to build the industries. We are using in various forms our needs for. Yes. Then we come to know the we understand from the economic how we manage the finances of our family. Finances of a family means money matters. To Lionel Rebons, he was the economist, and he wrote, economic is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce less means which have alternative use, alternative one or the other. जैसी हमारी इच्छा सेटिस्फैक्ट पूरी हो जाती है, दूसरी इच्छा हमारे पास जागरूक हो जाती है. यस, ये कम, स्कैर्स मीन्स लेस, एंड एंड्स, हमारी जो इच्छा होती है वो कभी एंड नहीं होती है. अभी हमने चौल में रहते हैं तो हमको फ्लैट की इच्छा होती है, फ्लैट में अगर रहते हैं तो हमको बंगलो की इच्छा होती है. यस, तो इस हमारी इच्छाएं बराबर से पूरी इंसान की इच्छा नहीं होती है. वो पैसे को कमाने के लिए और अपने सेटिस्फैक्शन को पूरा करने के लिए रात दिन जूझता है और काम करने लगता है. यस, सो दिस अकॉर्डिंग टू लियोनल रोबेंस, because of the human behavior and whatever our satisfaction is not yet completed. So these are the proper uses we are making in the economics. Secondly, we come to as the manage the finances, money matter of our family countries, and the world also need to have economics management. How to run the family, how to run with our family members, what are their expenditures, what are their problems. So all sorts of things we have to keep in our mind and start it. Then comes the geographically speaking, the enterprises, the company, whatever we are making the things, those who makes any sorts of goods in their industries. Yes, that is known as enterprises. It is related to the production, distribution, circulate their nearby the markets and consumption, making use of the things, use people buy any sorts of things, goods and service which is available in a specific region. What we are staying, I'm staying in Andheri, so whatever my needs are, what I'm using for my routine life, for eating I have to go to the market to buy the foods, wearing, have to buy the clothes to wear it. Yes, this keep on circulating the needs of the people. Not only I, not only you, but all the common people are related with these things one by one. Consumption means a person uses the things, distributions we try to circulate the things. Yes. Now there are three types of economics. One is known as a capitalistic economy, second one is socialistic economy, and the third one is mixed economics. Now, what do you mean by capitalist, socialist, and mixed? Step by step, we will be learning just now. Now, capitalist economic, यहाँ पे ownership and management of means of production is in the hands of private individuals. Now, our school is a private one. The 2, 3, 5 peoples are starting one of the institutions to run. That is a privately earned. Yes. So, whatever the group of people starting their own industries, capitalist means any source of industry, whether it is automobile, it is medical, it is any sports equipments, we are making it in the industries, that is known as a capitalistic. And capital institutions where the management is starting their own schools and running under their own rules and regulations, that is known as a private individual. And their main aim is to earn a maximum profit. Maximum मतलब उनका एम रहता है कि हमको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हो. यस, मैक्सिमम मतलब ज़्यादा, प्रॉफिट मतलब फ़ायदा. और ये जो एग्जाम्पल हैं, जर्मनी इज़ हैविंग मोर ऑफ प्राइवेटाइजेशन, Japan, the USA, that is United States of America, this country people have adopted such type of economic in their own country and having the profitable sources of income and try to develop their country. If you're having a profit, you try to develop. Yes, and you try to make proper use in educational field, in various fields like as opening the industries or giving the jobs to the poor and needy one and all. Yes, so these things this country people are making is in a capitalistic economy. Yes, so a person who is privately dealing with these industries, yes, capitalist means a person who makes any sorts of things in the industries. They are known as capitalistic. Yes. Now we come to the socialistic economy. Now what is socialist economic? यहाँ पे पूरा कारोबार गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर रहता है. Yes, government only handling the industries, whether it is institute, educations, whether providing, and government only giving the salary to the workers. यहाँ पे private का कुछ भी interference नहीं होता है. Only government is involved in giving them the jobs, in select them in their industries. So the first one is the productions belong to the society as a whole, that is government control. Only government tries to control their people, implementing their rules and regulations to the labor who is working in the same industries, whether it is educations or whether it is any of the industries which is running fully on government. Second one is their main aim is to achieve social welfare. The government see that after the getting the education, after the person is there, they have become very mature, they have grown up, they have got the jobs or not, yes, which fields they are suitable, whether they are going for the airlines, whether they are studying in the any railways. Yes, railway also a government job, post and telegraph system also is a government job. Airlines, Indian Airlines, this is also run under the government scheme. So the government wants that every person has to have their livelihood, and so they can pay them in a very moderate way. And this example you will find in China and Russia have adopted this socialist type of economic. More of these countries are running only with the help of the governments. Next come the mixed economy. Mixed economy is a coexistence मतलब यहाँ पे दो साथ में मिलके काम करते हैं. private also and public sector also involved. That is why it is known as a mixed. यहाँ पे प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल्स भी हमारा हमको रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस लागू करते हैं और गवर्नमेंट का भी हमको रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस फॉलो करना पड़ता है. इसको बोला जाता है मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी, वे बोथ ऑफ देम आर इन्वॉल्व्ड एंड द बैलेंस बिटवीन द प्रॉफिट एंड सोशल वेलफेयर इज़ मेड. और यहाँ से भी उनको फ़ायदा होता है, डेफिनेटली उनको फ़ायदा होता है गवर्नमेंट्स को. जैसे आप बोलेंगे कि सम ऑफ द नाउ अंबानी एंड ऑल, अंबानी इज़ अ प्राइवेट पर्सन बट इज़ इन्वॉल्व विद गवर्नमेंट. Yes, so that is come under the mixed economic. All the rich person who has taken the industries, they are involving the people. Example is India, Sweden, UA, United States, UK, England have adopted this type of system. Now we talking about the function of an economy. Function means how to start. For example, when I'll tell you, now we have taken the mixer. You know how to operate the mixer, how to use it. That comes under the functions. We have taken now mobile. So mobile also there are having different schemes. They are having very different way of using the mobiles here. So that is known as function. Unless and until we are not knowing the how to operate, how to make use of the economic. So definitely this economic try to make us to understand certain things, how we can do, we can operate, how we can start our work. The first one is deciding the product and quantity of its production. पहले हमको सोचना पड़ता है कौन सा प्रोडक्ट हम हमारे इंडस्ट्रीज़ में बनाना चाहते हैं, चाहे वो व्हीकल्स का हो, चाहे वो सीमेंट इंडस्ट्रीज़ का हो, चाहे वो शुगर केन का हो. यस, पहले हमको ध्यान लगाना पड़ता है कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट हम अपनी इंडस्ट्रीज़ में शुरू करना चाहते हैं. उनकी क्वांटिटी कैसी है अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द पीपल. क्वांटिटी मतलब कम ज़्यादा. यस, क्वांटिटी उनकी क्या है, जैसे अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द पीपल वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड व्हाट आर द प्रोडक्ट्स कैन वी मेक इन आवर इंडस्ट्रीज़ एंड व्हाट अबाउट द क्वांटिटी. इसमें ज़्यादा कम, that is the way the industrious people are making their product in their industries. Second one is minimize the production cost as much as possible. हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारे लोग एवरेज वर्किंग हैं, they don't have so much of income. Yes, to see that this products if you sell in the market, so even the poor person can buy their products. They should not be aloof, they should not be lonely. Yes, they should have the money to buy that products, whether it is eatable things or whether it is other material, for example clothes or utensils and all. Yes, vessels and all to buy, whether they can buy their things in their industries. Second one, thirdly is distribution of national income according to social and economic. Social means where the people is living under that particular areas and exchanging and expressing their viewpoints. Social and economic, making appropriate provisions for their economic needs of the future. Provision means certain laws to be implemented by the person, deciding whom the goods will be produced. Now Adam Smith is known as the father of economic. He has written the book and he has named his book as Wealth of Nation, published in 1776, and he has defined the science, that economic, as the science of wealth. Definitely economic means whatever jobs we are doing, after getting the jobs we are getting the money out of it. Yes, so this economic is a science of wealth. That is his outlook and his way of explaining in economics. Now we come to the globalization of the economic. Globalization means full world is involved in growing up the money. Yes, so यहाँ पे globalization means building a world economy. How we can build, and all the countries should have the progressive in their needs. Yes, so world economic is a borderless economic in which nature's resources, profits, services, capital, labor and technology flow freely across borders of countries. तो यहाँ पे पूरे वर्ल्ड किस पे निर्भर है, रिसोर्सेज पे, नेचर्स रिसोर्सेज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर हैविंग अ नीड ऑफ वाटर, सो द बिकॉज ऑफ रेनफॉल वी आर गेटिंग द वाटर टू ड्रिंक. We are having the problems how to start the industry, and the minerals are there. We only have to dig the minerals out of the earth crust and make proper use in the different type of industries. Then profit, जब हम कमाते हैं तो उसमें से कुछ बच जाता है, यस, तो हमको फ़ायदा मिलता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज प्रॉफिट. Services, whatever jobs we are doing, whether it is government, whether it is private, whatever jobs we are getting, that is known as a services where the person is involved. कैपिटल मीन्स इंडस्ट्रीज. यहाँ पे कैपिटल आपको कंट्री का नहीं बताना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे कैपिटल, इकोनॉमिक कैपिटल मीन्स द इंडस्ट्रीज which is making different type of goods. For example, your cotton textile industries, jute industries, yes, so that is known as a capital. And you know labor, labor मतलब मजदूर, जो workers जो काम करते हैं, and they are using different technology flow freely. Technology flow freely across borders of countries means they are supposed to train themselves, make the proper use of their training. एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम खाने का ऑर्डर करते हैं तो वो पार्सल लाकर हमको फ्रीली देता है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज अ, एंड दिस across the borders of the countries. My dear students, I hope that you have understood the introduction of economics. If you have got any problems, you just message me on my mobile. Readily I will help you all out. Now I am just passing the photos of my notes. You have to write the notes which I am sending it today only. Yes, so you all have to write in your notebook and continue it. I have already done 2 geography. No partitioning, no parting your book. You have to continue in the same book. 2 lessons of geography I have already done. This is the economic. You all can continue. Please don't divide your book into 2 parts, because I am only taking geography and I am only taking economics. So it should be continued, not parted. Please do this favor. Understood? Yeah? Thank you. A very good morning to my 9th standard students. A very good morning to my 9th standard students. We are doing the first lesson in economics.